If you want to unleash the hidden awesomeness of Viralnetics and upload our images directly to your Twitter account, you'll have to create your very own application. The process is quick and easy, and creating your own app means that we can progressively permit your usage without any restrictions. The whole process takes about 5 minutes, but it's worth it. First thing, Twitter generally wants you to have a verified mobile phone number attached to your Twitter account, so you'll have to enter it by navigating to Settings, Mobile. Twitter will send you a verification code via text message that you will have to submit as evidence of ownership. Log into Twitter and navigate to dev.twitter.com. That's dev.twitter.com. Down the bottom right of that page, there's a link that says Manage Your Apps. Click it. If you have any existing applications attached to your account, you'll see them on this page. On the top right of the page is a button that says Create New App. Click it. Now it's time to create your application. Give your application a name, anything. However, make it relevant and short. Next comes the description. Let people know what your application does. In your case, something like an application to connect my website with Twitter. Enter your website URL if you have one. There's a long developer agreement. Read it, of course, agree to their terms, and click Create Your Twitter Application. Make sure that access level is set to read and write. This is generally now the default permission provided by Twitter. If not, click on the Permissions tab and update it. Providing the right permission enables the image upload. Once you've submitted the application, there's a couple of changes you can make via the Settings tab. You can upload an icon to represent your application, and if you're an organisation, you can enter your organisation name and website. If you are a company, it's best to do this. It's another way for Twitter to verify your legitimacy, and it means those visiting your application page know where you can be found. No other changes need to be made on this page. Click Update Settings. Next comes the important part, and you'll need to copy and paste some lines of text. That is your 4 lines of keys. So it might be best to have Notepad or some other text editor open. Click on Keys and Access Tokens. By default, you'll see that Twitter has automatically created a consumer key and a consumer secret. These are 2 of the 4 lines of text we need to copy. First, let's create access tokens. Scroll down to the lower part of the page and click Create My Access Token. If you scroll down a little, you'll notice that in addition to the consumer keys that Twitter creates by default, we have now generated access tokens, both an access token and an access token secret. That gives us 4 lines of keys in total. Carefully copy those 4 keys into a text file, although you can copy them directly into Viralnetics, but it's best to have a local copy yourself. Now to schedule image uploads and enable the Twitter features of Viralnetics. We're going to show you how to copy this data into Viralnetics via your control panel. First, you have to be logged in. It's usually best to do this via Facebook if you're not yet registered. That way we can more easily enable your Facebook features later on. So log into Viralnetics and click Control Panel. Scroll down to Enable Twitter Scheduling. It should show as disabled. You will notice the 4 boxes: Consumer Key, Consumer Secret, Access Token, and Access Token Secret. Carefully copy the keys from your Twitter application into the corresponding text boxes. Be sure to copy the string exactly as it was manufactured on Twitter. Click Update Twitter. If we were able to connect with your Twitter account, you'll see a brief message. Refresh the page or click on My Control Panel again, and you'll see that your Twitter link is now enabled. Just a quick note, if you want to quickly delete your Twitter details from our website, click Update Twitter with empty text boxes. All data will be deleted and your Twitter link will be disabled. So, you're all connected. You'll now see 2 additional menu items, Image Tweets and Article Tweets. Both pages will be completely empty until you schedule some content. When you browse almost all of our content, you'll see a small Twitter blind under each image. Click on it. It reveals the tool that you use to schedule content. Of course, all content is customizable. We make room for a pic.twitter.com link and the Viralnetics text, although that text will disappear after a period of membership. Of course, you can edit and delete tweets already scheduled. To pile images into a sequence, simply click Schedule Image Tweet and we'll add it to your queue with a minimum time interval between images. This time will vary with the maturity of the service. The same actions apply to scheduling articles, although no time limit generally applies in this case. We have a stack of features and other social network integrations forthcoming and lots more planned in the future. Please provide feedback or any errors you might encounter.